Alright, let's dive right in. Today I'm showing you how to design a super simple trading app UI in Figma. Even if you're just getting started, I'll walk you through the basics. Step by step by the end, you'll have a clean modern interface you can actually use for your own trading app projects. First things first, open up Figma and start a new project. I like to name mine right away, something like Trading App UI. Now, let's set our frame size. For most mobile apps, I go with 390 by 844 pixels. Drop in that frame, and now we've got our blank canvas. Let's build the header. I keep it simple. A dark rectangle at the top, maybe 60 pixels high. Add your app's name, let's say Trade Flow, in a bold white font. If you want, toss in a little icon like a simple chart or candlestick. Keep it clean, less is more. Now, let's add the navigation bar at the bottom. Another rectangle, but lighter this time. Home Markets Portfolio Settings. Okay, onto the main dashboard. I always start with a card layout for the portfolio overview. Draw a rounded rectangle in the center, fill it with a soft gradient pop and some fake numbers, maybe $12,450 for the portfolio balance. Add a tiny up arrow and plus 2.3% today in green to show growth. Below that, let's list a few assets. Each row gets an asset icon, the name, like BTCF and the current price. Use a simple table format, green for up, red for down, keep the text aligned, and don't crowd the screen. Finally, let's add a quick action button. I like a big, bold trade button floating in the bottom right. Use a bright accent color, something that pops, but still fits your theme, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a super clean, easy-to-navigate trading app UI. Remember, simple always wins, especially for finance apps where clarity is key. Hit save, and you're good to go. If you want to take this further, try adding some interaction prototyping in Figma. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.